In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow sharing of your status on WhatsApp. I'll also be showing you how you can disable sharing of your status on WhatsApp if you don't want this to be done. So by disabling or enabling sharing of your status, it will determine whether people or contacts can be able to reshare what you have posted on your WhatsApp status or not. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get started, go to your WhatsApp and then go ahead and click on these three ellipses under chats and then choose settings. Now from settings, head to privacy here and then go down to status. So if you tap on status here, you can see we have down here allow sharing. Under allow sharing, you are told let people who can see your status reshare and forward it. If you want to enable this, go ahead and toggle this off, and that means that anyone who can see your status will be able to share it with others or forward it. However, if you don't want or you had enabled this feature and you like to go ahead and disable it, just again come back to this status privacy and toggle this off, and now no one will be able to reshare your WhatsApp status. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.